say that this is such a wonderful opportunity to be able to do this concert, this kind of concept. I've never done this before. I would sing, mga rock and roll songs every now and then in my concerts. Siguro mga isang medley. But I never really had the strength, to actually, ang galing ko na nga ito. Hindi ko ba alam ko ano ito. Halika dito, bakla. Bakla ka ba? Hindi. Hindi. Ako na nga. Tumera ka pa sa akin, ha? Kakahiya naman sa'yo. Salamat, ha? Where was I? Ano yung sinasabi ko? Ano yung sinasabi ko? Pasensya. Pasensya ka. Makakalimutin. Maganda na. Yeah, Hi! Oh my gosh, it's Meko. At ulitin muna natin from the top. Kakadating lang yung Meko. Hindi, yeah, I never had the courage actually to do this kind of show. I don't know why. Kung kailan ako tumanda, medyo insecure ako sa boses ko. Tsaka ako naisipang gumawa ng concert na ito. But anyway, thank you. Thank you for being here. For allowing me to entertain you. And for allowing me to do this kind of concept. So, let's rock Moa Arena. How's that? Now, let me introduce to you OPM Rock and Roll.